Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change startup sound on Windows 11 PC or laptop. To start, enter sounds in the search box. Open Change System Sounds. Here in the Sounds tab, you can check or not the box, play Windows startup sound. After that, you can choose the new sound when Windows starts. If you want, click on Test to listen to that sound. Finally, apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.